ngicela ukuthi sitishiyele ukuthi mabaphuma ioption ibe kibo and ningasho ukuthi uthe bayakhe kanye kanye. I repeat, I'm not saying that, don't misquote me. They are in prison. I cannot talk to them. Liberation Charter kungaleso sizathu kune question lethi mhlonishwa Kawuzelana aqala nibathathu kwakunguwe kungibacede kungumthandela. Cela Maswati ningilalele kahle on that one. Bacede uBoshiwe, he's my friend, I miss him. We share ideas. Ucabanga kwethu kuyavama kufanana. Mthandeni, I miss him, he's my friend. We think alike, but nyalo, they are in prison. This movement, kuvumelene bacede namthandeni namagawugawu. That should be clear. Godwa ningilalele kahle. They didn't just say yakhe sikhona as no. That one must be clear. But on my own personal, mine, I'm loyal. I'm doing my best to be loyal, to have integrity, to what we stood for together. I said, angifuni ukuba stressa, ngithumele abantu ukuthi akwendeke nakube njani nakube njani. Ngacela kuleli bandla lela ngicela ukuthi ngibe interim president ngathi the top level has 8 people. 8 positions. I agree we can fill the positions, but let's leave 2. And not just 2 ordinary positions, but 2 critical positions. Sitawubona ukuthi si-acta njani kulo 2 critical positions lengeke ngitende ngitisho. Ngicela ukuthi sitishiyele ukuthi mabaphuma ioption ibe kibo. Mabaphuma yelo batawufunza emaphepheni. But buta Kawuzela ukwendeleni lokho ngobe njani ngengaba njani mhlambe kuze kube kunenini. They'll have a lot of questions. But we're leaving these 2 positions so that when they come out, they sebalalela bayeva ukuthi kwendekani impilo yabanjani. Oh, wacabangani lapha Kawuzela ngacabanga ukuthi nokuthi no. It was a good idea. So sacela ukuthi if you are comfortable to be a member of the movement and to take a position in the movement, we reserved these roles. These are not positions, these roles. But njengoba ngisho ukuthi akugabi ne communication and ningasho ukuthi uthe bayakhe kanye kanye. I repeat, I'm not saying that, don't misquote me. But out of knowledge ukuthi where do we come from? I said no. Let's, in this table of leadership, let there be 2 positions that would be vacant until baphume. And mina ngive ingqondo yabo ukuthi bacabangani bafuna yini, how do they choose 2 things. And emva kwaloko ngikhona swalimo atawuba nale congress, elective congress, angikhona ke aka a permanent leadership structure.